Hi, Chris Guzman here. Last time we did most of what we have here in this sequence of code for Python. What we did not do was uh, line number 4, and that's the scariest line. And it deserves to be the scariest. What it's doing is it's pulling input in from the console and giving it to the computer to deal with. What do we mean by that? Let's go over to the console in Replit. So here I am in Replit, and I'm in the console here. And oh my gosh, I forgot what I was going to type. So we can always go back, take a quick look. It's going to be input. Let's just focus on this part of the of line 4, where it says input with quotes. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and enter that into the console. Input. And I'm going to type the word prompt. Prompt. Okay. And then it says prompt. So whatever it is, and then I can type hello. And then the result of the invocation of the method input, the function input here, is that it prints out the word prompt and then asks me to type something in, or I am then expected to type something in, I do, and then it gives that back, and that thing that it gives back is the string hello. Now the problem is, let's suppose that I do that again. Input, a number. Okay, so it's prompting for me for a number, and okay, well, sure, I'll enter 5. But you'll notice the 5 is inside of quotation marks, so it doesn't know that it is a number. It thinks that it is a string. So if I try to assign this to a variable, I do a equals input a number. That'll work. Oops. Let's try that again. Okay. It prompts me for what a's value should be. I'm going to say that it's 5. But now a is 5. But if I do a plus 1, it's unhappy. It can't add 1 to a string that is 5. So there's another operation that does eval. So if I do eval of a, that transforms the string into whatever it would evaluate to if I were to type it into the prompt here. Sort of ironic there, right? And so when I do eval a, I get 5. So if I want a number from the user, what I need to do is I need to go a equals eval of input of whatever the prompt is going to be, which will be, give me a number. Little arrogant program demanding me to give it a number, but I understand. It'll be quick. And now if I see what a is, it prints out 6 when I enter a. So that's how to do basic input in Python. You'll use input to grab a string, and eval frequently is what you want to do in order to transform a given string into its numerical representation. It's actually potentially more than just the numerical representation, but almost always that's what you're doing when you're doing eval on input.